He's a stubborn and unrelenting individual, defiant as hell, and a world-class fastpod. What's up people, welcome back to my channel. Let me tell you something about Felipe Pikullik. He's a stubborn and unrelenting individual, defiant as hell, and a world-class fastpod. There, I've said it. If you've not heard of him, he's a young watchmaker based in Berlin. Felipe Pikullik began his journey at watchmaking school in Glashutte, the heart and soul of German tradition. With apprenticeship and jobs at some of the region's finest independent watchmakers, Tudor and Rolf Lang, he accumulated experience across prototyping, part manufacturing, finishing, and servicing other historical and modern timepieces. All these skills lend themselves well to building his own timepieces later in the watchmaker's journey. In 2017, at the young age of 23, Felipe Pikullik launched his eponymous brand in Berlin with the Prius collection, a series of 5 skeletonized timepieces. Modified embellished movement, full skeletonization and engraving done by hand, everything was crafted in a living room workshop at that point. In the 7 years since then, Pikullik has come a long way by working at a feverish pace, releasing 5 separate models in that time span. Each timepiece is a step in the direction of the watchmaker's core vision. Design and craft astronomical complications while integrating more in-house manufacturing capabilities. You can see why I say he is a stubborn, relentless and defiant as hell. Against all odds, Pikullik just wouldn't give up. He just went ahead and did his own thing. As for being a fastpod, Pikullik's constant need to strive for perfection can be seen in the moonphase 1. The moonphase 1 is a significant leap for Pikullik as the first complicated timepiece in the watchmaker's catalogue. As for the final production model, the moonphase 1 Meteorite will act as a launchpad for Pikullik's next venture into in-house complication development. 2 years after the release of the first edition of this timepiece, this new model brings the watchmaker's celestial approach to the next level. The defining feature of the moonphase 1 Meteorite is its dial. Made from fragments of a meteorite that hit Earth on the ancient continent of Laramidia approximately 80 million years ago, no two dials are the same. I'm just reading what they gave me. Ouch! The Widmanstätten pattern is a crystalline geometric line structure formed through the slow cooling of iron and nickel over millions of years ago, exemplify the unusual extraterrestrial character of the materials. The dial on each timepiece is a tribute to the mysteries of space. Compared to stainless steel, German silver and brass, all materials used regularly in Felipe Pikullik's workshop, the Meteorite lends itself exceptionally well to finishing. Glancing at the dial, the beveling around the openwork gearing is applied directly to the Meteorite. The effect is extraordinary. The bevel edge shines bright, much brighter than traditional materials. The Meteorite is something close to the territory of platinum in terms of how sharply it catches light. On the dial, there are some additional fine details to observe. While the main plate on the movement is black rhodium plated, the small bit of main plate peering through the moonphase complications gearing on the dial is white rhodium plated. A thoughtful touch. This ensures the contrast between the main plate and the Meteorite is minimal, no distraction from the star of the show. Beyond the spectacle of the Meteorite, the dial features in-house manufactured hands, chapter ring as well as hand engraving. Heat treated to create a blue purplish color, the brass-made hands offer some contrast against the shimmering of the light color Meteorite dial. The chapter ring, crafted from sea steel, is extremely delicate, weighing less than 1 gram, and held in place by one of Felipe Pikullik's recurring design motifs, i.e. very small rivets that are set into the dial to hold the chapter ring. These inserts are also observed on the dial by securing the spring in the openwork gearing that drives the moonphase. On the dial is the hand-engraved Felipe Pikullik in cursive font between the 12 and the 2 o'clock position, as well as in Berlin gefertigt between 5 and the 6 o'clock. Emblematic of the model, the timepiece's moonphase complication, which is also made from brass, pokes through an aperture on the dial at 9 o'clock. Designed and manufactured in-house, the complication presents a beautiful 3-dimensional moon. The complete moonphase mechanism is made on the same blade as the moon itself. Out in the open, the moon's sheer size is best visible through the exhibition case back in the skeletonized movement. Notably, the moonphase is oriented towards the southern hemisphere, a nod to Felipe Pikullik's roots in Brazil. Flipping the timepiece over, the Mondphase 1 meteorite provides a level of craftsmanship in the movement to match the beauty of the meteorite dial. Based on a unitask movement, the timepiece features extensive modification with in-house manufacturing across the hand-skeletonized bridges, gold-plated gears, gold-plated balance cock, moonphase complication, and abundant fine finishing. The movement surfaces are frosted. Beveling is completed in-house and by hand. Ratchet wheel is nailed and the wheel's teeth is beveled as well. Screw heads are black polished. Balance cock is hand engraved with floral patterns. Pinions are manufactured in-house and polished for the gears. A feast for the eyes. The movement plays with depth, texture, as well as complementary and contrasting colors. The Mondphase 1 plays a significant role in the development of Felipe Pikullik as a watchmaker. The first complicated timepiece in the collection, the watch represents a formidable step in the direction of crafting Felipe Pikullik's first in-house complicated movement. This model with its meteorite dial will be the final production run for the Mondphase 1 and limited to 20 pieces only. There you go folks, what do you think of this timepiece? Do let us know in the comments below. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, subscribe and hit that notification icon to support me, and I really appreciate it and promise to make more videos like this. Take care now, bye bye now.